Good afternoon, everybody. I got some mice from an expo today. Not really getting along with each other here, and I don't think I'm going to keep them in here long term. So just going to do an earlier feeding this week. Tread lightly here. This snake has become quite aggressive as far as protecting her cage and stuff. She knows there's food coming. But dang, right there. Say cheese. Don't love that. So. Anyway, looks like it's gone to me, so move on to the next snake here. Ready to go. Dang. I'm gonna lift up this hide. Oh, here we got a better grip. There she goes. Hungry girl today. No rest for the wicked. We are moving on to the next one. That's my phone going off. Probably my friend texting me. I'm trying to grab this mouse here, making sure I got it. Ooh. Another quick one. Three. Moving up to our next girl. Just gonna go ahead and oh, I got really lucky I didn't get bit there. I didn't know she was in her hide. She took that. It's 4. Big scary Emmett here. Marco. Six for 6 so far. And our last snake to eat here. Take it just like that. Everyone's gonna start doing their thing. And I'll edit that down, but we're gonna watch them do their thing. This girl's kind of sassy though, so I don't want to get in her face too much. Check back in on her. This one just is releasing here. Sadie? Zelda? I don't know what she's doing. Can never get this one back in. Check that out in a second. Zelda's gonna take hers, so just gonna go ahead and back off and let everyone do their thing. I'll see you guys on the next one, alright? Peace. Please like the video if you could. Just takes a second. Got all 7 snakes to eat today, so that's sweet. Thanks and see you guys next time.